How can I use social network to get him back? Hello ladies and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Carmont, your relationship expert. In today's video, I really want to help you use social network to get your man, your boyfriend, your husband back. It's a powerful tool that I really want to help you to manage your situation. So number one, you need to look at all the social network. It could be LinkedIn, it could be WhatsApp, for sure Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. So it's really important for you to just look at all the social network. And I'm talking about LinkedIn because it's really powerful if you can change your profile picture. The same for WhatsApp. These two social networks are always avoided by the people that I'm coaching, which is not what I want for you. So you need to understand that when men are asking for the breakup, they think that they have the power. And by looking at your changes, looking at the fact that you put new pictures of yourself and you are publishing new activities, that will hurt their ego. And this is what we want. So we need to change profile pictures and also we need to publish the new activities. This is something really important. Okay, guys? So remind you something. It's time now to get one day just for yourself. You have to go to the haircut. You have to go to the esthetician. You have also to do shoppings, to do a makeover. I will ask you to book something special with a professional photographer. I can guarantee you that will change your own vision of yourself. And also, it will recreate something special on the social network. So it's time now to change your profile pictures. It's time also to publish the new activities. But you will have also to talk to people. So comment on your friends' pictures, on your friends' activities, show that you are more present. Even if you tell me, Alex, I never published something on Facebook, what should I do? Guys, this is the breakup. Everything has changed into your life. So now you should use the social network. We cannot put them away. We need to control your communication. This is something really, really important. So when your ex is talking to you or when you want to recreate contact, you should talk about everything new, but not what you have posted online, because we suppose that he already knew what you have done. And it's something that we want to avoid talking about your presence on the social network. Why? Just because we want to surprise him and we want him to bring the subject into the conversation. Okay? So we will never talk about your profile pictures, your new activities that you have posted on the social network. We'll talk about maybe your professional work or the fact that you change your diet, everything that you want. And then he will see you as a new woman. He will have the wish to attract you, and you can rebuild a really strong connection, a really strong chemistry. Social networks are really important. I can guarantee you that today with the people that I'm coaching, we are talking a lot about WhatsApp, because for the long distance relationship, sometimes when you are blocked on social network, it's not the case on WhatsApp. LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is just one picture, but this is a picture that we never changed. So this is something strange for your ex. If you can understand what I'm saying, I can guarantee you that social network will change the way you're getting back together. Will change the vision of your ex about you. You will not be the lady of the past. You will be the new lady. Now I understand that every situation is different. So it's time for you to just comment this video and let me know. Let me know what happened into your situation and I will help you to answer every single question. Give me a like and please subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Every single day you can receive a tips to change your love life, but also your personal life. When it comes to getting back with someone that you love, you need to manage every single detail. Social networks are really important. So it's time for you to just prepare your day for yourself. Book a photo shoot with a professional photographer. It will change your vision about yourself. You will be so amazed about his work, about you, and your ex will see these changes. But remind you, it's really important to not do too much, okay? You have to be yourself. You have to show the best of yourself. You need to control your emotion. So if you need some help, I am here for you. Come on with myalexagain.com/coaching, book a coaching session with me, and I will be here standing up with you, helping you get back with the one that you love. If you have any question, feel free to ask me just a comment right below. And I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.